Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up to show you most luxurious look of designing of this beautiful emerald work blouse designing using the normal stitching needle. So let's quickly start with this designing. On the sleeve openings, I'd be applying the glue dots like this, maintaining the minimum gap of 1 centimeter, and on this I would be sticking green color kundans of very small size, circular shape. The pattern making here I am elaborating step by step so that it will make your work easy to do. And next to this I would be extending this designing using the pearls of 1 mm, also the sugar beads of gold color, both inserting at a time. All around I'd be giving the stitch for the joining of this pearl also with the sugar bead. So all around I'd be joining nearly of 7 like this, and the pic which I have shown on the sleeve, it's of single line followed with the emerald work, and on the neckline it would be of 2 lines. That means we have to give the designing of this work 2 lines. If you want to have the broader neckline, you can carry up to 3 lines. It depends upon your requirement. And the materials I'm gonna use for this designing is easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links provided in the description box for your convenience. If you want, you can check it. Like this, completely 7 lines of pearls with the sugar beads I'd be joining. For that stitching here I'd be using cotton silk thread with 9 number hemming needle. These bead sizes you can either increase or decrease as per your requirement. And here I'd be giving the stitch with the joining of pearls and the golden beads followed with the emerald work, which will really gives a luxurious look, which has been exclusively designed for the bridal collection. You can also try this for the party wear or any type of small occasions. Also you can try this designing following these instructions on already stitched blouses, which is so simple. Fix the embroidering frame and follow these instructions. If you want to try this for your sleeves, then remove the side stitches, fix the frame and follow these. These are emerald beads, also available in different colors like ruby is also you'll get. As per your matching you can select this, and here I'll be joining these emerald beads along with the sugar bead. So both I'd be inserting at a time. Now keeping away this sugar bead, and I'd be pulling the needle towards underneath like this. That means from where we have started the hole, there we have to insert it back. It's so simple. This would really gives the hanging look pattern, and if you clearly observe this is the traditional jewelry pattern of the pearls and emeralds designing. So like this, on the complete sleeve openings we would be giving the joining of emerald also with the sugar beads. This is how the pattern would be continued. I hope the step-by-step process I had explained here is clear to you all. If you have any doubts, you can write to me in the comment section so that I can address your queries. Knowing the pattern is so important because this type of designing is so expensive if you want this to be done outside. But purchasing of this material, the complete material, it may cost of around 200 rupees for the complete designing of the neckline also with the sleeves. So spending that much amount, we can also try this designing easily at home. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. Really friends, this will really gives the gorgeous look once you try it. Hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and